Hi, today I would like to show you what the garter stitch looks like. Let me show you. It looks the same on both sides. You can make this stitch on any number of stitches, and you can either knit the rows or purl the rows. You see, they look, oops, I got caught here on my sweater. You see, they look like purl stitches, but I made only knits. A knit stitch. You remember the knit stitch? Yep. I made the knit stitch. I started with the knit stitch, and all I have made is a knit stitch on that entire work right here. Let me show you. I'll do all knits across, and when I get to the other side, I'll do all knits again. I'm almost finished. I have a little bit of cotton left. I wanted to show you the cotton back here that I picked very many years ago when we took our children to the cotton fields here in Texas. Yes, you didn't know? They plant cotton here in the United States of America. Now I have this book here, 400 Knitting Stitches, Potter Craft, I guess that's the name. Sorry about that. It says garter stitch. This pattern can be worked on any number of stitches. On 2 needles it says knit or purl all stitches. Now when you start your work, of course, you can purl all stitches, and when you come around to the other row, you also purl all stitches, and it will look exactly the same as if you knit all stitches and on the other row knit all stitches again. So let me show you what else it says here. The wrong side of the work looks the same as the right side. Note, it says take care when counting the rows. You know, if you make a pattern and all, whatever. On either side you need to count the rows that seem to be in the ditch, as well as the alternate rows that seem to stand out. So let me show you. I didn't understand that for a while now, but now I do. You see all these little bumps? You see the little bumps? The ones that look like pearl stitches. And then there is another row after that. They look like knit stitches, and then purl, and then knit and purl. But the thing is, look, they're so close together that you don't really notice the knit stitches much. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video from me. Let me show you again what it looks like. Let me back it up. You see? That's what it looks like. The garter stitch. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood what I was saying. Garter stitch. Garter.